Hello, Maryland residents, and those of you who are thinking about moving to the state of Maryland. I want to talk to you about getting an FHA loan in your state and what is required. Now, when it comes to employment, you do need to have a 2-year work history. It is okay if you've had a gap in employment, and it's okay if you've changed jobs recently. A lot of lenders don't like that, but it's allowed. That's okay if that's your situation. You do need a 3.5% down payment if your credit scores are 580 or higher. If your credit scores are 500 to 579, it's a 10% down payment. If you're close, we may be able to work with you to help get your credit scores bumped up a little bit, so that way you qualify for the smaller down payment. Now, if you're struggling to come up with a down payment, even 3.5%, we do list a couple of down payment assistance programs that are available in Maryland on our webpage. I'm linking to it down below in the first pinned comment and also the description. And we also have a lender that offers a down payment assistance as part of their program. Now, another thing you need to know is that there are maximum loan limits or maximum loan amounts established for each county within the state of Maryland. And some counties are extremely expensive, so FHA has higher loan limits in those counties. So for example, in Calvert County and Charles County, you can get a maximum FHA loan for a single family house. It's well over $1 million. That's just for a single family house. Now, if that's the market you're in, then great, we can help you with just 3.5% down. If you've got a recent bankruptcy, it's also possible to get approved for an FHA loan with a Chapter 7. We may be able to get you an exception. With Chapter 13, we can have this done for you after you've made just 12 on-time Chapter 13 bankruptcy payments, and it can be done. So let's say you are in the market for a home in Maryland and you need down payment assistance. We do list one of the programs on our webpage that you could review and research and potentially get approved for. But we also have a lender that offers down payment assistance in Maryland. And that is a great option for you, because you'll get approved for the mortgage and also for the down payment assistance all together at a one stop. So that way you're not having to get 2 different approvals, one for the mortgage and one for the down payment assistance. So that's going to be extremely helpful for you. If you want to speak to someone, you want to get pre-approved, you want to talk about any of the other great FHA programs like the 203K rehab loan or the cash out refi or the streamline refinance, whatever it is, we can help you with it. And also have lenders that will go extremely high in the debt to income ratio as well if you're struggling to qualify for the loan amount you're looking for. So we look forward to you visiting us at FHALenders.com. Thanks for watching today, everyone, and we'll see you next time.